This.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Pinay Abroad Vlog, or the Fun Times with Fifi. Hello, ito si Fifi. And today is Saturday. Dito kami sa park. Kagandahan lang dito sa Canada guys is every community, meron talaga silang park na dedicated for that specific community. So, almost every community may dedicated na park. And this is our new park here. Kami lang kasi umulan kaninang umaga. So, kami pa lang yung tao. And it's still too early as well. But it gets really busy here pagka sa hapon na. So, Fifi likes to swing and slide. Fifi! Say hi, fans! Ito ang aming neighborhood dito sa Canada. This.
No feeling. No feeling. No.
Sobrang linis ng park. And bago siya facility dito. Malawak siya, may waiting shed din. And I think that's a tennis or pickleball court. I love coming here pag umaga kasi walang tao. And it's so fresh. And it's so peaceful. Kasi nga, may maririnig mo yung mga sasakyan, walang ibang tao, walang ibang kids na naglalaro. Ang mga ibon, maririnig mo mga ibon. So, it's very relaxing. Meron din palang basketball court. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a basketball in there. Basketball court in there.
No, no.